Hi friends, today in this video we'll talk about how to display last day of month in Power BI. So let's head over to Power BI desktop. Okay, so here we have one date table and one financial table. So to calculate the last day of month, first of all we'll create one measure. So first of all we'll create one table to put the measures. So it will be a measures table, and then we'll create one slicer. So based on this slicer will show the last day of the month. So the slicer will be month and year. Now we'll create one measure, so it will be end date. So to calculate the last day of month, we can use one function which is end of month, and then the argument or the parameter of this particular function is dates. So we'll pass the dates from the table, and then we click enter. And now we'll create one card visual and we'll put this measure into that. So here as you can see it is showing the latest date of because we have not selected any of the months, so it is showing the latest or the maximum date of that date table. Suppose if I'm selecting March 2013, so it is showing the end date of the March. But okay, so now this one function, we have one another function as well to display the end date of the month. So I will name it as end date new, and then the function named is EO month. So what EO month do? We'll have to pass the one start date. So it will be the maximum of date, and then there is one more argument, so it is in months. So we'll have to specify which for which month we'll have to display the end date. So suppose if I'm selecting 0 and put that measure here, so it is again showing the same value like for the if I'm selecting March, so it is displaying the 31st of March, which is the end date of that month. But suppose if I'll put here instead of 0 I'll put -1, so it will show the end date of the previous month. So if I'll select April, so the first measure will only display the end date of that particular selected month, but the second measure will display the uh, previous month's end date. And suppose you want to find out the end date for the uh, previous 2 months, then you can specify here as -2, so it will show the previous 2 month end date. So that's how you can display the last day of the month. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe.